Students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 2, I will deliver today the lecture on entropy taken from BSc Part 2, Paper 3, Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 2nd, titled as Thermodynamic 2. Dear students, before the discussion or proceeding of today's lecture, titles today I have mentioned on the blackboard on entropy. First of all, once again I repeat the necessarily conceptual of Carnot cycle, which actually has been performed in various processes, in various steps, including here 4 steps: A to B, B to C, C to D, and that is of D to A, known as isothermal expansion, adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression, and adiabatic compressions. And on the behalf of various postulates, steps, necessarily fundamental terms involved, finally we calculate the necessarily exact work performed in our previous lecture and various definitions on the behalf of. Finally we calculated the work we defined on the behalf of famous scientists such as Kelvin, Clausius and Carnot to define a very fundamental, very important thermodynamic quantity is known as that is of entropy. Entropy is nothing but that is a degree of disorderness, and on the behalf of Clausius, in our previous lecture we defined that the entropy, I mean to say the degree of disorderness continuously of the universe increasing. Also, once again in compact form, I repeat the Carnot cycle and its fundamental concept when heat engine is connected with that is of heat source to absorb plus Q to heat to perform of the work symbolized by W. In reversible process, the absorbed heat Q reversible is divided by temperature. The quantity is known as that is of entropy, and the entropy which is that is of a state function, extensive property, and symbolized by that is of ds and that is of del S here. In our next, we proceed today's lecture that is of dimension and unit of entropy here on the behalf of, from equation number 1, ds is equals to del q reversible upon T. Dear student, del q reversible, the dimension is that is of heat, divisible by that is of T as that is of temperature. So the dimension of change in entropy comes out that is of ds is equals to heat upon that is of temperature here. Now put down the unit of heat as calorie and temperature as that is of degree or that is of Kelvin here. That is of ds is equals to calorie degree inverse to give the value of unit of ds. Since we know that entropy that is an extensive property and for that is a 1 mole, we introduce here ds is equals to that is of a calorie degree inverse mole inverse here. Now let us proceed the next part of entropy, that is of entropy change in isothermal transformation, which is further divided into that is of 2 subkinds here. First one that is of for ideal gas here, second one that is of for phase transformation here. Dear student, first one condition, first one case for ideal gas, you determine, we calculate the value of change in that is of entropy. Since in isothermal reversible expansion, in our previous lecture, previous concept, when heat engine is connected with that is of heat source to absorb that is of plus Q to heat, in such a condition, isothermal condition T is equals to constant, dt is equals to 0, hence d is equals to d is equals to I, internal energy is equals to 0 here. Since by that is of Joule's law, internal energy dependent upon temperature here, since dt is equals to 0, so automatically by applying, by using the concept of that is of Joule's law, d is equals equals to also is equals to 0. Now further, now using that is the first law of TD here, del Q reversible is equals to du plus that is of del W here. You know here, now by substituting the value of d is equals to 0, del Q reversible is equals to del W, put down that is the equation number 3. By removing the condition of that is of state function here, one can write Q reversible is equals to that is of W capital that is of Q. Now replace that is of small q reversible is equals to W. But in our first lecture, in our that is unit 1 of BSc part 2, in unit 1 work in expansion isothermally we have calculated. In that is of a isothermal reversible process, del W is equals to nRT ln V2 upon V1. Here in this system is allowed to expand from the volume V1 to V2. Work done is performed is symbolized by delta W nRT ln V2 upon V1. Say that is the equation number 5.1 here. Now from 4 and 5, del W is now replaced by that is of Q reversible here. Q reversible here nRT ln V2 upon V1. Say equation number 6. But the fundamental equation of change in entropy we take from that is of equation number 2, del Q dash is equals to Q reversible upon 2, put down 6 in that is of 2, Q reversible nRT ln V2 upon V1. You know T upon T will be cancelled by that is of T. In that is of E base we have the value of the expression of change in entropy, del S is equals to nR ln V2 upon V1, and here taking the base of that is of 10, del S change in change in that is of entropy, del S is equals to 2.303 nR log V2 upon V1. Say that is equation number 8. Dear student, equation number 8 denotes or give us to the fundamental equation for ideal gas. In coming timing we will discuss the numerical problem based on change in entropy for ideal gas here. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.